Domestic violence affects the family in that if the children witness the domestic violence, it is very traumatic. And if the court determines that in fact domestic violence occurred, there would be a legal presumption that custody cannot be awarded to the perpetrator, spouse, or partner. So basically, the perpetrator of domestic violence can end up with having no custody, sometimes no visitation of the children, and hence he or she will pay more in child support. In divorce cases, spousal support can be denied to the perpetrator's spouse. So in addition, sometimes because domestic violence goes to be registered in the CLETS system in California, so if your job requires some security clearance, this can affect your job as well. Domestic violence can extend to any blood relative of the first degree. So it could be between husband and wife, it could be between boyfriend, girlfriend, it could be a dating relationship, it could be between father and son or brother and brother. Unfortunately, domestic violence sometimes have been used as a weapon and not as a shield as is intended to function. It's a shield to protect a spouse or a partner against the violence of the other partner or the spouse. Sometimes it is used to gain advantage in custody, sometimes it's used to gain advantage in getting the exclusive use of the former family residence. Sometimes it is used to gain advantage in spousal support. We try to be neutral and we try to analyze the evidence. If it is he said, she said, then we go to court and the court will determine the credibility of each spouse or partner on the stand. Whoever has a better credibility, the court would rule for. I have a vast experience in domestic violence. I've handled those cases for about 11 years. I've handled over 500 cases of domestic violence.